In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we take you on a tour of San Francisco.
We do some whale watching. We check out the world-famous Monterey Aquarium.
And we sail down to the Channel Islands to celebrate Thanksgiving. Follow along on our journey as we sail halfway around the world all the way to Thailand.
This channel is funded by viewers like you, so check out sailingdoodles.com and find out how you can help.
In the last episode, we left you as we sailed from Sausalito across the San Francisco Bay into downtown San Francisco. For those that have been to San Francisco before, you might know that it's not quite the ideal city for bike riding. It can be very hilly.
But we powered through it and we made it to the top of the hill. Wow.
All right, where are we?
Coit Tower.
Yeah.
Who do you think it is?
I'm not sure who that is.
I know who I want it to be.
Christopher Columbus.
No, Captain Cook. Christopher Columbus.
Captain Ron would be better.
Oh, that's... Gorillas? Gorillas.
Gorillas. You said gorillas, not gorillas. Clearly.
It was up an elevator and a few stairs to the top of Coit Tower.
It really was a beautiful view from the top, and you can get a panorama of the whole city. Coit Tower was built in 1933 as a monument to the city's firefighters.
Oh.
Did you just bump your face into it?
That smudges my face.
Is that your smudge right here?
It is, man.
Smudge.
After Coit Tower, we headed down to the famous Pier 39. Pier 39 is always busy with tourists, but today it was extra busy due to the Christmas tree lighting ceremony. The next morning before dawn, we set sail for Monterey.
There was almost no wind, and the water was glassy as we motored underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. We wished we could have spent more time in San Francisco, but we were already behind schedule.
But it was a gorgeous sunrise send-off from San Francisco.
We got whales. Laura, you excited for whales?
Whales!
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 Where?
Yeah. Oh, the seal.
That's a seal.
Are they eaten?
Oh, wow! That was so cool. Nice.
Yeah, right?
Got a little rub right there.
Yeah. The wind and water stayed calm all day, and our friend Todd joined us for this trip, and he taught us how to play cribbage, an old-time sailor's game.
As we sail into Monterey Bay, we were amazed by the number of dolphins and sea animals.
It really was special being able to see the dolphins so well because of how clear and calm the water was.
Oh wow, do that again. What do you think, Laura?
They're so pretty.
Yeah?
They're right by my feet. Oh, it's so cool. But the other ones out there, they're way bigger.
I know, they're giants.
Way bigger. Those are big ones, yeah.
Some poor losers, they're putting it away.
Oh no, we're supposed to clean up.
Oh right, they're cleaning up. They're cleaning up. They started putting it away real quick before I could show who won a cribbage.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, what kid cribbage? Yeah. We haven't played all day.
We were hoping to make it into Monterey before dark, but we didn't quite make it. So we made it into, where are we, Monterey?
Monterey, California.
Kind of a little tricky getting in here though, because probably about 2 or 3 miles out, we ran over, I think, a crab.
Super tricky, like show the...
Oh, well yeah, it's, yeah.
He's like, Laura, jump off, save the boat. I'm like, there's a wall.
Well, there's so many seals out here, they got all that stuff. But, so we were on our way in about 3 miles offshore, and we think we ran over, it was dark, we couldn't see it, we think we ran over like a crab pot buoy or something.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah, it hit. And so we're gonna have to get a diver come out tomorrow and check it out. We think we have a fouled prop. For more information on how we cleared the prop, check out our most recent Maintenance Monday.
Hey, Bobby, what's on your mast?
Oh my God! Who did that? That's my beanbag. Now what? You match it?
Alrighty, we were told this is like the very best one.
Best aquarium on the planet.
Exactly.
Quote
So,
unquote.
here we are.
So we started off with the thing I wanted to see the most, the sea otters. They're super adorable, playful, and hungry.
Apparently they have to eat 25% of their body weight a day. That'd be like you eating 13 large pizzas a day. So then it was off to my favorite part of the aquarium, the jellyfish.
The display and size of some of the aquariums was really impressive.
They had an ocean awareness display related to plastic and garbage in the oceans.
These sculptures were all made from plastic found in the oceans.
Well, that was pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
That was really, it's expensive. It's like $50 a person to go in there, but it was pretty neat. What was your favorite part?
Of course, the sea otters.
Sea otters, yeah. I like the jellyfish. They're just beautiful.
Oh, that was really good too.
Yeah.
That was my second favorite.
So yeah, it was really
They had
cool.
like every kind of jellyfish. I didn't even realize. Some light up.
Yeah.
Some you turn the lights on and they light up. Turn the lights off, they disappear.
It was really cool.
Yeah.
And so, I mean, just some of the aquariums they had, like the circular aquarium. I mean, just, gosh, those things were intricate. I mean, really cool.
They really went out of their way.
Oh yeah.
Designing that. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's really cool. Everybody I've talked to says it's the best one in the world. I mean, I don't know, but we'll see.
I don't know. I guess we'll have to go to Mohr?
Yeah, we'll have to go to Mohr. I have to figure out. I have to get everyone.
Take them all.
Yeah. So we topped off the day by having a meet and greet with our local viewers.
Hey, thank you all so much for coming out. Cheers to you. Cheers. Hey. Flaming news.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a hair off my hand.
I said my dad brought me a dish here.
That burnt hair smell.
Yeah. So somebody
Oh God.
was playing a practical joke on her.
And now look what I got.
Yeah, and so now she's put, because what he did is she put her beloved beanbag up the halyard, and now it's stuck. So she gets to go up and get it.
Not because it's her fault, but because she's the lightest.
Yeah.
I did not lose at paper, rock, scissors either.
Right.
I'm being a good sport. Ah, whoa! Don't let go. What am I doing when I get up here?
He's gonna
Free the beanbag.
Yeah, free the
Bounce
beanbag.
around like a cat. Doing all right, Todd?
I'm doing wonderfully. I'm a sail trimmer, not a grinder.
Right. There you go.
Okay, pull it down for me.
Ah! Woo! I'm back.
That's the rail there.
Don't want to get goosed.
So how was it?
Hey, easy peasy. Let's do that again.
All right.
Free rides. After retrieving my beanbag, it was time to set sail.
While I turned the boat into the wind, Todd was nice enough to go up and hoist the main.
All that was left to do was unfurl the Genova, and we were sailing.
Later in the day, the wind slacked off a little bit, but it was a great opportunity to fly the drone. And you can see in the back there, someone was playing a prank on me and dragging my smelly shoes behind the boat. So what we're gonna do, because the wind is almost dead astern, right? And so what's happening is that the wind is hitting the mainsail, and on the other side of that is the head sail, and it's blocked out by the main. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the mainsail on the other side. We're going to rig a preventer so that it doesn't accidentally come back the other way, and then that way both sails are catching full wind and we're going downwind, because it's very light wind. It's only 7 knots, and you know, we're doing 5 knots on the boat, but we'll do that.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am. Just hadn't flipped yet. It's going to catch the wind. That was the job.
The first leg had been a relatively short sail to Monterey, and the next one was a long 200 miles down to the Channel Islands. Well, the wind has all but died. We were making good progress here. They were still making 4 knots. We only have 2.5 miles to go, but we're in no hurry. It's Thanksgiving. So let's see what's happening down here. I was practicing a little guitar. I still suck. But hello, guys. What have we got going on down here?
Dinner. I mean, Thanksgiving.
So turkey?
No, we have micro turkeys.
Micro turkeys. What exactly is a micro turkey?
It's a very, very small turkey.
They're special.
They're special. They're little miniature turkeys.
We caught them off the boat.
They're pygmy turkeys off the island of Madagascar, right? And we imported them. They're very rare.
We chose a beautiful anchorage off Santa Cruz Island to enjoy our Thanksgiving.
So, cheers to you guys. Thanks for coming on, Todd. Thanks for helping out. Cheers to you guys. Happy Thanksgiving to you all.
Happy Thanksgiving.
This brings back great memories.
Yeah.
Smells delicious. Go team, go.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us this Friday in Huntington Beach.
And if you'd like to sail with us, check out sailingdoodles.com.
Come on. Hey! Hey, come on, boys. Come here. Come here. Oh, no. No. Oh, yeah.
Is that your daddy? Yes, cheesecake man. Yep.
How are you?
Oh, look at those big tails.
Come here. I know. I know. Come here, Goose. Come here, Matt.